If you're working on installing heavy windows or doors, knowing when to add extra studs is key to keeping your walls solid and safe. So, when you've got a big heavy window or door, you don't just slap it in and call it a day. First off, add jack studs or trimmer studs around the opening. That's like extra support buddies holding up the load. Sometimes one pair isn't enough, so double or even triple those studs depending on how heavy the unit is. Make sure you check the manufacturer's specs because they usually say exactly what kind of reinforcement you need. Don't forget to reinforce the top plates and trimmers to spread out the weight properly. If you're not sure about the load, chatting with a structural engineer can save you from headaches later on. Also, keep an eye on the measurements so everything fits snug and there's no wobble. Taking these steps stops sagging and keeps your wall from getting all wonky over time. One of the biggest mistakes people make with window and door framing is underestimating the weight, which leads to using too few studs. This causes sagging or even structural damage. Fix it by always checking weight limits and adding extra jack or trimmer studs as needed. Another common issue is ignoring the specs from manufacturers and building codes, which can throw off the whole load transfer system. The fix? Follow those specs closely and consult professionals if anything feels off. Lastly, skipping reinforcement of plates and trimmers can weaken the entire setup. Make sure you strengthen those parts by doubling up or using proper hardware so everything stays solid. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. For contractors, it's an easy way to connect with folks who need reliable help on their home projects.